we back with another video. Hey, back with another challenge video for y'all.
Under that 24-hour handcuff challenge.
You already know what's about to happen, man. We about to be handcuffed together. Wherever she go, I gotta go. She gotta use the bathroom. I gotta go to the bathroom with her. I gotta use the bathroom. She gotta go with me. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God, y'all.
We glued together for sure, for sure.
We gonna argue this whole time because he gonna yell at me.
No, she gonna yell at me because I'm gonna be pulling her everywhere. She gonna be, ah, that hurts. No, this hurts.
We about to go to the outlet mall, so we gonna see how this goes.
Go to the outlets, not outlet mall, babe.
It's the same thing, isn't it?
No.
Isn't it the same thing?
It ain't the same thing.
Outlet, it's an outlet mall.
I don't know. Listen though, I'm gonna handcuff my right hand. She gonna handcuff her left hand, and then we gonna be glued together. And we gonna see what's about to happen, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the gang. Because we dropping bangers all summer, man. I'm telling you, back to back. And make sure you stay tuned for that merch, man. That merch coming soon, I promise y'all. But let's handcuff each other right now. Okay. She's locking herself in right now. Alright, my turn. And lock me in.
Is that good?
Ooh, that's a little tight. Okay, I guess this is okay. Look at that, it's tight, y'all. It already hurt, man. Alright, though, we'll see you guys at the outlets.
Alright, y'all. We finally made it here.
Whew, what a long drive, man.
Yeah, it was pretty long. It was like almost an hour. So, I'm about to go now.
I'm finna get out. Go inside the store real quick. Just so y'all know that we still handcuffed.
You gonna take the top?
No, it's alright.
No?
I can't even hold it. I gotta hold it.
I got it. Yeah. Can you like grab my phone? You can't even get out, y'all. He's stuck. Ow! What? If you guys do this challenge, it really does hurt. Like, it really does hurt. Ow! How long have we been so far? Like 2 hours? I can't do that.
I like
That been 24 hours? Yeah. We like it.
I like them right there. It was nice.
You're gonna be bad when you get the party.
Yeah. I like them right there though. It was dope. Them hard too though. And the blue ones. Got some shoes. Got the good ones. Still want them. The show. Them is hard for sure, for sure.
I want those.
What?
I want those, y'all. Yeah.
She want those. She was like, I want these ones right here. It's hard. I didn't get the ones. Some other ones. You go see if you got yours.
Those.
Those?
They're like kind of crazy-ish looking.
She like them one, yo. All these dope shoes. Look at the ugly ones. She's looking at the ugly ones, yo.
You can't be taking advantage of me just because you know you're stronger.
You can do whatever you want.
No, this is so cute. Oh, wow. It's really hot for it.
This hurt.
Well, I mean, you're pulling me.
Yeah, for sure.
This really hurts. He is like strangling me and pulling me with him, and he's driving me crazy.
I'm not even pulling.
Yeah, he's like.
You just walking so slow. It did hurt a little bit. I ain't gonna lie.
Exactly. You keep doing it to me.
I ain't tripping. I do gotta pee.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't know how we about to do this because he gotta go to the bathroom, y'all.
She gotta go with me. You gotta go.
And we in public right now, so.
You said what?
We in public right now, so.
In the restrooms, look, restroom.
Gotta go to the bathroom.
This is a real public bathroom.
Alright, y'all. We've been to the man's bathroom. I'm so scared. Ew, ew, ew. It stinks in here, bro. Hurry up, babe.
She was so scary.
I was so scared to go in there.
Terrified. I don't know why.
What you mean? I was in a man's bathroom in public.
For 100? And what y'all think, KJ gang? Them's kind of too dull. You know what I'm saying? They all black, some all whiteness or something.
It doesn't smell good in here.
I fuck with these though. She said it don't smell good in here. A week. What it smell like?
It smells like shit. I like those actually.
What? The black ones?
Don't be pulling me like that.
You the one that's pulling me. I like them too.
I like these.
I
You
saw
go
KJ
hard.
thing. I fucked it. Man, I might have to get them. Hey, she liked them. It was ugly, y'all. That's how you know she Puerto Rican. All them colors, all them different colors.
I just told you I don't like the color.
She liked those, y'all.
No, I don't. I like the style, but I don't like the color. I said.
Yeah.
If this is really tight now. We gotta tighten it.
We don't got the key.
No, baby, so. Yeah.
I'm gonna throw this away.
I'm sorry. We let me have one more drink.
Where are you going? It's this one. Dang, this hurts.
Y'all, now I have to use the bathroom.
Ah, my wrist. Ow.
I have to go so bad, man. So we about to go up in here real quick, y'all.
Alright, man. We could just use the family one.
We're just going here.
We're gonna use the family one, y'all. Just because we don't want to look like we looking weird, you know what I'm saying?
There's a woman right there, so.
Alright, y'all.
Ow! Ow, 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 ow. Baby.
Ah. Where you going? Yeah, nah, this ain't the best idea. Ah, dude. Ow.
It can't hurt that bad. Yours is not even that tight.
Yes, it is. Just look at it.
Look at mine. I can't breathe.
Look, yeah, she locked it so hard. Keys in the car. She can't even get out of it.
Can't. I'm stuck like this forever, y'all.
Let's get some food, man.
Let's go get some food.
Let's go, bro. I'm so hungry. Alright, y'all, so we about to get some food. I don't know how we about to do this.
I don't know how we about to eat. I don't know how you about to eat because you can't eat with your left hand.
Listen, you about to have your hand up here like this the whole time.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
I'm telling
doing
you,
that, bro.
You're gonna have to. You ain't got no choice.
This hurts.
Ah, my wrist. Ah, it's stuck. Ah, it's here. Hold that real quick. It's stuck. Okay, you're stuck on.
Ow! Ow!
Okay, you're stuck up there. Okay,
You know, like, come on. You trying to hold the door? You trying to hold the door?
I'm gonna cross my body. You know what I'm saying?
We don't know how we about to eat, y'all. We're about to eat some pizza. Get something to drink, y'all.
Alright, come on now. Come on now. Wait, I'll go this way.
Ow! You're pulling me so hard. I can't even do this.
Where you going? Yeah, but I don't want nothing from this one.
Okay, y'all. What should I get? I already know what I'm gonna get some vitamin water because
I'm about to get some vitamin water.
Ew, you nasty. Okay, with my arm. I'm holding my.
Come on, I want to use this hand.
Ow!
I want to use this hand.
Why are you doing that? Why you didn't put ice?
I did it.
Yummy, yummy. Well, I'm gonna use this hand. Oh shit. I put too much ice in there. It wouldn't stop. Push the button.
You gotta push it. Set the cup down. Hold on, wait. I gotta go somewhere. Wait a minute. Wait, I gotta grab mine.
Babe, stop.
I have to grab mine. Dude. This better work. I gotta set my pizza down. No, where's that ball? Not that hard to eat, girl.
I'm about to get in the car, y'all. We about to leave finally. Because I cannot shop with this. No. It's just not. What are you doing, babe? She has to get in first. Ouch. Oh, my pop. My pop. It's so hard for him to get in. Alright, y'all. Ow! Look how tight this is, y'all. It hurts so bad.
You gonna close it?
Oh, wait, I gotta close the door, y'all. You having fun yet? You're not having fun?
I've been having fun. What up, KJ gang? We finally made it home, man. As you see, we still locked up. Man, I gotta use the restroom again, so look, she gotta come with me, yeah.
So
This ain't gonna be a pleasant one either.
Oh my god.
Alright, y'all, so I just got done using the restroom. Whew, feel like 5 pounds lighter. You know what I'm saying? Anyways,
Y'all,
it's late, man. We just finna go to sleep, bruh.
we gonna freshen up.
Brush our teeth, you feel me? Do what we gotta do to go to sleep. Obviously, we can't change our shirts because we're stuck together, so.
Yeah. So we gonna sleep in these shirts. Go. I don't know. I don't know, y'all.
Alright. I hope you know you're gonna have to bring that left hand up. Hey!
Here.
Slow.
Here. Oh God. I'm gonna brush my teeth with my left hand.
Alright, y'all, man. Alright, y'all. Just got done brushing our teeth. Ah, man. Ow, babe. Come on, you can't leave your wrist. Ow. Man, she hurting me, yo. I don't know if I can do this all night, man. She tripping. Ah, man. We can't even take our shirts off. Like,
I know, it's so annoying. But we can in the morning, y'all. So we'll see you guys in the morning.
good night, KJ gang. We love you guys. We'll see you guys in the morning. Whoa, Good morning, KJ gang. Ha. Man, what the fuck? Still handcuffed. It's early in the morning, bruh. She's still asleep. I'm about to wake her. Babe, get up.
Oh, Jordan.
Babe, get up. I gotta go to the bathroom. Babe, get up. I gotta go to the bathroom. Babe. I gotta go. Say what's up to KJ gang. Say what's up to KJ gang.
No, what's up, KJ?
It's the next morning.
Oh, Jordan, you're hurting me, babe.
I'm sorry, babe. We can take them off now, though. I don't know why we still got them on. Let's take these things off of us. You still laying like you want them on.
Take it off of me. Ow, 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 ow.
Come on. I gotta get the key. Hold the camera. Oh, nah. Don't do this challenge, man. Don't do it.
Ow. Ew, my God, my wrist.
Don't do it, man. Ah, babe, stop.
He would take his off first.
Woo-wee!
Ow, stupid.
Why are you slapping me?
That's for taking yours off first. Ow. Fudge.
Whew. Alright, y'all. Handcuffs off, man. We did the challenge for y'all. It sucked.
So bad, y'all.
Listen, though, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new to the gang. Join the gang. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, man. A thumbs up because we wore these handcuffs for 24 hours. And I wasn't feeling it. But yeah, though, we'll see you guys in our next video. KJ Gang is out.